Today we will discuss the rise of sex robots, which may have the potential to replace your girlfriend. But before we look at this, I want to know if you're not a robot. Prove that you're human by pressing the subscribe button. And while you're at it, don't forget the bell icon so you don't miss anything about robotics and artificial intelligence. Welcome to Artificial Weekly. Our daily lives are becoming more influenced by social robots. They're employed in a variety of fields, including healthcare, culture, business, and industry. A good user experience is essential for people to embrace social robots, and it should be seen as a crucial step in the development of the robots. It might encourage the overuse of social robots and accelerate their societal adoption. In this regard, social robot researchers aim to develop robots with natural social interaction. Humans made a leap forward with the creation of Harmony. This is an AI engine that once used to be just an app. Using the app, the customers were able to create their own virtual girlfriends compatible with their preferences. The real-world version of Harmony was Harmony X, which is by far the best real love robot there is. Bringing Harmony to life is the result of 2 decades of making the AI dolls at Abyss Creations in California. The company that created Harmony has invested hundreds of thousands of dollars to bring the love robots to life. The latest evolutionary step of Harmony is going to be the first commercially available love robot. Love robots are essentially realistic dolls with sophisticated movements and areas that closely mimic humans so that they can romp. Lovebots will become hyper-realistic with features such as built-in heaters to create the feeling of body warmth. They will also have sensors to react to your touch. Now, the company is taking its creation a step further in its attempts to leave its customers better satisfied. Harmony X is not only the best in realistic love dolls, but a true, real-life girlfriend you can grow close to. Abyss Creations in California has been producing sex dolls for 20 years, and 5 of those years have been spent researching and developing robots. Her creator, Matt McMullen, spent hundreds of thousands of dollars to make the infamous real dolls of the business come to life. The most recent advancement of Harmony's 6 hardware and software revisions is version 2.0. She is now the favorite to become the first love robot to be sold in stores. Harmony, regarded as the first love robot with an accurate anatomy set, has customizable AI personality and memory, motion sensing technology, voice and facial recognition software, and animatronic engineering. At Abyss Creations, Matt McMullen has been making lifelike silicone love dolls for at least 20 years. He spent 5 years studying robotics with RealBotics before introducing Harmony. Although Harmony is capable of passionate talks and making love, he views her more as a companion than a true love robot. My goal, in a very simple way, is to make people happy, McMullen explains. There are a lot of people out there, for one reason or another, who have difficulty forming traditional relationships with other people. It's really all about giving those people some level of companionship, or the illusion of companionship. The whole idea of a sex-capable robot is very contemporary now and edgy, I get that. But Harmony is a sophisticated piece of machinery, and her primary design is to carry on conversations, he said. In addition to being able to identify her owner's voice, Harmony can also recall her birthday, her favorite foods, the names of her owner's siblings, and carry on a discussion about music, movies, and books. Because Harmony has an intelligence that enables her to understand what her owner wants and likes, she can then fulfill a need by conversing, picking up on her owner's speech, and responding to it. As a sex toy, Harmony is intended to serve as a replacement partner. With Harmony, users can communicate via an app. Users can customize the AI's physical characteristics by using the app. Harmony was unveiled as a prototype and contains an almost limitless vocabulary, but is programmed to end any conversation that involves murder or violence. A new conversational coronavirus function that facilitates human-machine interaction about the infection was added to Harmony's most recent software upgrade. Without customization, she talks more generally about the pandemic, emphasizing how her owner feels about it. The US sex tech firm robotics has been working on the Harmony robot for years, but it's proved difficult to perfect. The doll can respond to noises and expressions. She can tell if she's laying down, she can tell if she's shimmying or shaking. She can move, tell jokes, and even make dirty talk with customers. Real doll companion robots are equipped with gel implants in the buttocks for an ultra-realistic feel and have silicone rubber skin for a very long lifespan, no lasting odor or taste, a high degree of flexibility, and a low risk of tearing. The LOVEDOLL Harmony claims to be the first to offer an emotional connection. Real dolls are provided with high-quality synthetic wigs that can be removed for styling, cleaning, or replacing any commercial wig. Eyes are crafted by Hollywood special effects artists with hand-painted detail. Those touches include a new feature called X Mode. It uses sensors in the headboard of the robot to respond to things like movement and touch with unique sounds and expressions beyond the basic facial movements and lip syncing. The Robo Dream Girl is not cheap. When Harmony goes on sale in a year, she will cost $15,000 US. To satisfy the many passionate customers who have already indicated interest, Abyss Creations has the capacity to produce 1,000 in a constrained initial run. Although we're not sure you'd want to buy a sex robot used, the value of the resale may be greatly increased by such exclusivity. Harmony was widely regarded as one of the most technologically sophisticated, human-like robots in the world when she first went on sale for roughly $15,000. Real dolls normally cost at least a few $1,000s, with specially created designs frequently costing far more. One real doll owner reported that the total cost of his purchase was $17,000 after going through several redesigns before deciding on the ideal face for his doll. A talking robotic head that costs $15,000 on its own and can be added to existing dolls as an upgrade comes with the AI Harmony platform, the sensory headboard, and motorized servos that can move the neck, jaw, mouth, and eyes. Further improvements are in the works, such as augmented reality and virtual reality apps that enable app users to interact with their avatars in virtual space without the need for a doll. At the robotics offices, a male version of the AI platform called Henry is already operational on robotic male heads. The group is now modifying the scripted Harmony material for Henry's needs. With that, we conclude today's video. What do you think of these kinds of robots? Do you think love robots have the capability to replace your girlfriend? Hit the like button and tell us about your thoughts in the comments section below. Please give us thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for much more striking videos. We will definitely meet again in another video. Until then, bye!